You've got a new Samsung device, and you want to wirelessly transfer your old compatible Android or Samsung backup data to it. Here's how. Before starting, place your old device and new device about 20 centimeters apart from one another. On both devices, open up SmartSwitch. If need be, download SmartSwitch from the Google Play Store. On your old device, select Wireless. Tap Send. On your new device, select Wireless and tap Receive. Select Android. On your old device, press Connect. Then select the data you wish to send. Then click Send. On your new device, tap Receive and wait. Once it's all done, tap Close App. You can also transfer Android or Samsung backup data to your new Samsung device using a PC or the USB connector which came with it. Find out how in our other videos.